want to speak much, but under the reference quote in 2019 when we met, when you said that in case I become the governor of Kisii County, I make sure that I stamp the tears led by teachers, by the other predecessors of the former regime. And I'm lucky today that the word from your mouth is going to share our tears. Secondly, Your Excellency, we know the good work you have done, and we believe that even if we are going to be observed under PP, still Kisii department remains a holistic department in any in our county. So we believe, Your Excellency, this is, you have played the match for 20 minutes. You have another 100 minutes remaining. And I believe in the remaining 100 minutes, you are going to ensure the total holistic development of our children in the county. Finally, with beyond policy, without education, we are heading nowhere. And because you also understand the same, you have started with the foundation. Even any building, regardless of any value, you must consider the pillars of that building. Now, Your Excellency, I think you are in the right direction because you have identified the pillars of a strong foundation of the Kisii region. Finally, my teachers, we have been in economic development for the last 10 years. Why? Because we love children. Why? Because we love our county. We have to be summary, but we keep to ourselves. But I believe today, our government is going to change our tears. Finally, as we go back to class, let us keep the same spirit we have been having for the last 10 years. Then when it comes to 2027, still we will make another judgment. Thank you, sir. Thank you.